Hello children, I Ms. Mudita Tiwari welcomes you all on your Marigold class. So children, today we are going to study two new poems, which are, the very first is The Donkey and second is I Had a Little Pony. So let's get into the poems, but before that let's have few new words. So the very first one is Velop. Velop means to hit something very hard is Velop. Here is a new word for you. I hope you all are going to learn it, right? Let's have a next word, that is whipped. Whipped is beaten with a whip. Whip is this to which all the horses are being beaten, that is whip. So whipped is beaten with a whip is whipped. For horses there is a stick kind of thing known as whip. You might can see in the next picture. Let's see the next word. Next word is lent. Lent means to grant someone something. Grant means to give for some time. Okay. Lashed. Lashed is having eyelashes of a specific kind. Okay. Next one is mire. Mire is a very stretched swampy ground. Swampy is muddy. Muddy ground is mire. And last one is hire. Hire is to employ someone for wages or to give something in return of some money. Okay, that is to hire. So let's get into the chapter. The very first is the donkey. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. So the poet is saying, if I would have a donkey and he wouldn't go, he wouldn't come with me, then what will I do? Will I hit him hard? Then she's saying that no, 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 I'll not do that. I did find a little hay and give him some corn, then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. So what next? What the poet is saying, it's saying that if I would give him a little hay and some corn, he would behave like a best donkey which have ever born on this planet. You might have seen little kids, right? They used to cry for little things and don't obey their parents. But on the same hand, if you give them something, like for example, if you give them chocolate and ask them to do this work in return, they just become very innocent. They just become very good. Right? They start behaving very nicely. So in the same way, the poet is saying that if I would give the donkey a little hay and some corns, then he would be the best donkey. So children, this was the donkey poem. Let's move on to I Had a Little Pony. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. Okay, children, what's there in the poem? So the narrator is saying that I had a little pony. I was having a little pony whose name was Dapple Grey. The name of the pony was Dapple Grey. And one day what happened? The girl gave her pony to a lady for riding to few distance, right? The lady want to ride the pony for a mile away, for a few distance, right? So the girl lent her pony to the lady. Okay, but what happened? She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him to the mire. Okay, then what happened? The lady was a bit cruel. He whipped him. She whipped him. She just hit the pony hard. She lashed him. She drove him through the muddy ground. She drove him through the swampy ground. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. Okay, so what the girl is saying now? Now the lady behaved so badly, so rudely with my pony, and now I would not lend my pony to anyone, to any lady now. So children, this was your poem, I Had a Little Pony. So I hope you all got the two poems, that is the donkey and I Had the Little Pony. So children, will meet again in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.